Feel this.
Hi guys, so I finally recorded my first video and I wanted to do like more of a galaxy smoky eye look. So I work with BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes. I use 3 palettes. I use the Modern Matte, the Smoky Eye, and the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I really like this palette. It's actually one of my favorite. So let's go ahead and get into it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on your notifications. And hey, let's get right into it. Okay guys, first I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Base Tape hydrating primer. I really like this primer because it's very hydrating and it feels very light, and I don't like anything to feel too heavy on my face or too like greasy, and I think this is the consistency of this is really nice. Next, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Ebony on my brows. I usually like to use a darker color because my hair is jet black. So, I don't know. Yes, bitch. Brows. Then I'm gonna go in with I'm missing my concealer. I just realized that. Well, y'all gonna get it without it. Anyway, I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I actually have the concealer at the end of the video. You'll see me put it on my face. I like using flat brushes at the bottom because it gives me more control and it helps me guide to make those straight lines that I need. Give it an arch effect. Yeah. Blend. Blend. I usually take it down to my eyelid because it helps with creasing when I do my eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to use my It Girl Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer, and it's in a darker shade. And I use this for the top of my brows because I do not like the highlighter effect. Hey, you want to come say hey? Come on. Say hey. Say hey to the camera. After my brows are ready, I prime my eyelids with Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. And this helps with the creasing as well and to give me a more clean look with the eyeshadow to help it seep in. Then I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics and I'm going to create a crease look using my Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in the shade Whiteout. I love this concealer because it's like white, you know, like the perfect shade of white. Only thing is you have to make sure it dries first, you know, so that it's not like all wet, I don't know, and crease. But yeah, here I'm just mixing all my blues. I am going in between the Modern Matte palette by BH Cosmetics, the Smoky Eye palette, and the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So you can just see me switching throughout the video. Honestly, the look was starting to, I don't know, I had started to get a little, change my mind in the middle of the look. So I started to add some more purple so I can get that like more of a, like a smoke look. To like smoke from the light blue all the way up into the purple so they can have like a good little, you know, balance. So it's like a smoother flow to it. Next, I'm gonna use my It Cosmetics Superhero Liner in the shade Super Black. And because I have hooded eyelids, I like to make sure that I do my liner very thin, because the thicker you do your liner with hooded eyelids, the smaller your eyes look. And I want my eyes to look bigger. Then I go in with my MAC foundation, my concealer, and go ahead, the same concealer that I use, and go ahead and shape my face and the highlighting areas where I like to highlight. I'm going to use my Urban Decay Naked Shape Shifter palette. I love this palette because it has powders and the creams. I'm basically going to speed through this part because I want to do a more detailed video on how I highlight and contour later. But this video is more so focused on the eyeshadow. Then I'm going to use my Sasha Buttercup. I love this powder. I think it goes so well with my skin tone. And for my lashes, I'm going to use Roller Lash by Benefit and the Duo Lash Glue. I like to make sure I put on mascara before I put on lashes, because there can be some fall off from the eyeshadow. After that, I'm going to go under my eye. Then you're going to blend it out. Put a little blush, give you some light. I love this highlighter. I actually went to high school with this girl, and she sells them, and I really like the look of her brand and everything. This is the Bewitched Babe Cosmetics highlighter, and it's in the shade Gringa Tears. I think I said that right, Gringa Tears. But I absolutely love this highlighter. It makes me feel like a fairy or something like that. This highlighter is what it is. This is a motherfucking look. Then I'm going to use my Black Radiance Matte Lip Cream. Y'all, don't judge me. I'm not the only person that do this. Sometimes I use a liner, sometimes I don't. This is just easier sometimes, and it still gives me that same ombre look. After that, I'm going to use my Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Party Pink. One of my favorite colors on the whole line. I actually will wear this color with anything. And there you have it. Yes. Y'all see that highlighter? I mean, y'all see this? Out here looking like I came from Planet Sexy. I mean, what's up?